Hello there, it's Lenny McGill with the GlockStore Performance and Custom Shop here in beautiful Nashville studios today. And we're going to talk about magazines. And I wrote a long time ago, I mean many, many years ago when I first started, that you can never have enough magazines, and that is still true today. So check that out, and if you're looking for a magazine, this is the place to come. Now, we sell magazines, just factory stock magazines. Very easy, right? Okay. We also sell magazines with extensions. Like this one here. This is a +5 for your 17-round magazine. 9mm, so 9mm +5. It'll also fit on the Glock 40 15-round magazine, give you +4 of the 40, so 40 caliber. So this is basically 22 rounds with this extension. The extensions are super popular. We sell them pre-assembled as such. We also sell the extensions by themselves. So you can really do it one of two ways. The bottom line is if you're looking to get more magazine capacity out of your magazine, there's an extension concept. The challenge came to us is that many of our law enforcement customers, and we have a lot of law enforcement customers who buy magazines and other things from us, they cannot use, by department policy, they cannot use aftermarket parts on their guns. So the answer is the Glock Factory +2 extension that you see right here on these magazines. And they're available for all the different magazines. This being a Glock 19 15-round 9mm magazine with a +2 is now available as basically a 17-rounder. And the 17-round Glock magazine +2 is now available to be 19. And it's Glock Factory. That's the key. So a lot of law enforcement guys, like I said, they're calling us up saying, hey, can I get an extension that's Glock Factory? Then they, the bureaucrats, the management of the police department can't say anything. Okay, whatever, they've got rules. So they are available in different colors as well. So this being OD green and this being FDE, which look surprisingly close to me in color. But this one is green and this one is FDE. All right. And so again, the concept being, it just goes right on the bottom of the magazine. We sell them complete, just like this, on our website. We also sell just the extension by itself as well, so you can actually pop it on your own magazines at home. The extensions come with, and should I say, you have to buy as an accessory or an after piece, the insert plate. So these are two separate pieces. So be very aware that if you buy the +2, you also need the insert plate to actually hold on to the spring. So that's very important, because as that spring comes down, as you compress it, it starts to get a little wonky there inside the extension if it's not properly held by this particular little insert cup, I like to call it. And it fits right inside there like so. The other thing you want, of course, is the extra power spring, and they come in these magazines with the extensions already on. All right. Now we do sell the extension, the insert plate, and the spring as a kit as well. So that's a separate item. But for our law enforcement guys out there, and this is really what this video is all about, if you're looking for an extra 2 rounds in your magazine that is factory OEM, this is it. All right. Because this will get you past all the bureaucratic paperwork that you have to follow. And that'll give you a couple extra rounds when you're out there in the field. So thanks for watching. I'm Lenny McGill. This, of course, is the GlockStore Performance and Custom Shop here in Nashville, Tennessee. If you're ever in Nashville, we invite you to come down and see us. We've got a tremendous facility. I mean, it's really amazing. The shoot rooms are unlike anything else, so they're not lanes. We shoot in multiple directions at multiple targets. Each individual room is separate. So you're in there with a trainer or an instructor, and you get to do all kinds of fun things that you can't do in a lane. Okay, like I said, you can shoot around corners, we can turn the lights off, you can draw from a holster, you can shoot really fast. Because when you shoot in a lane, sometimes they tell you to slow down because they're too fast, okay, because other guys can't handle it, right? The other thing too, of course, is the retail store itself. It's like anything you've never seen before, really. It's really spectacular. I've got some great people working out there for us. And if you're here and I'm here, ask for me, I'll come out and say hello to you. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you here in Nashville. And I'll see you next time here on YouTube. you.